The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone SE 2020 for Metro Delta Mobile. So the second generation iPhone SE is not at Metro. This is really cool. So if you guys looking to get a compact iPhone, this is a phone worth checking out here. So the iPhone SE 2020 version, it's basically a this is basically a iPhone 8 with newer internals. So the iPhone SE has a 4.7-inch Retina HD display, 12 megapixel rear-facing camera plus portrait mode, water and dust resistance. And this is right there. The iPhone SE is $399.99. This is the 64 gigabyte version. So it says the iPhone SE is the most powerful 4.7-inch iPhone ever, featuring A13 Bionic, the fastest chip in a smartphone, the incredible performance in app scans and photography, portrait mode for studio quality portraits and 6 lighting effects, next generation smart HDR for incredible detail across highlights and shadows, cinematic quality, 4K video, and all the advanced features of iOS with long battery life and water resistance. It's so much of the iPhone you love in not so big size. Okay. So like I said, 4.7 inches, Retina HD, water and dust resistance, 1 meter for up to 30 minutes. It's IP67 rated, 12 megapixel wide camera, portrait mode, portrait lighting, depth control, next generation smart HDR and 4K video, 7 megapixel front camera with portrait mode, portrait lighting and depth control, Touch ID for secure authentication and Apple Pay, A13 Bionic chip with 3rd generation neutral engine, fast charge capable, wireless charging, and it also has iOS 13 with dark mode, new tools for editing photos and videos, and new privacy features. It says lots to love, less to spend. iPhone SE packs the most powerful chip into the most popular size iPhone at the most affordable price. It's just what you've been waiting for. Altogether, beautiful, brilliant 4.7-inch Retina HD display, speed and security of Touch ID, water resistance to 1 meter for 30 minutes, all in a light design. So like I said, the iPhone SE 2020 is basically an iPhone 8 with new internals. This is iPhone 11 Pro quality. It wants its chip back. A13 Bionic is the fastest chip ever in a smartphone. Period. Launch apps, play games, and more, all with blazing speed. Smiler and portrait mode. Advanced camera system with A13 Bionic enables portrait mode, artfully placing the focus on the subject, even for selfies. High definition. 4K video means 4 times the detail of Full HD, and quick take allows you to start recording video in photo mode by holding the shutter. Binge-worthy battery life though. So must go on. So iPhone SE lets you watch up to 13 hours of video on a single charge. Privacy is built in. Apple products are designed to protect your privacy and give you control over your information. It's not always easy, but that's the kind of innovation Apple believes in. Even more great stuff. So you have True Tone, dynamically adjust white balance on the display so images look natural and are easier on the eyes. It has a haptic touch, press and hold an icon for shortcuts, and a slight vibration makes it feel like you're pressing a real physical button. It also has AR. One of the latest AR apps that lets you measure real-world objects, map constellations over the stars, and more. Stereo audio recording. iPhone actually records videos in stereo to make the sound as engaging as the picture. Faster Wi-Fi and cellular data. Wi-Fi 6 and gigabit class LTE can deliver much faster download speeds whether you are on Wi-Fi or cellular networks. Audio sharing. You and a friend can both rock out to the same playlist by pairing two sets of AirPods or Beats headphones to one iPhone. So that's pretty cool. Dual SIM, dual numbers. Dual SIM with eSIM lets you have both a business and a personal number on the same iPhone. Fast charge checkable. Connect to a fast charge adapter, which you will have to buy it separately, of course, to get from 0 to up to 50% in just 30 minutes. So you guys want to check out some accessories for the iPhone SE 2020, they're right here. So you got some accessories, of course. Apple Care Plus is available. You have Apple Music, of course, and Apple TV Plus. It says that accessories meet the extended family shop for cases designed just for iPhone. Export AirPods, photography tools, wireless charging docks, and more. Apple Care Plus. One-stop support from Apple experts. Apple Care Plus provides extended repair coverage and 24/7 priority support from the people who know iPhone best. Apple Music. Lose yourself in 60 million songs. Stream 60 million songs ad-free. Download your favorite tracks. Play them offline. Apple TV Plus provides original stories from the most creative minds in TV and film, included for 1 year when you buy an iPhone, so that is pretty cool. You can compare the different iPhone models here. So they got from the iPhone 11 Pro Max all the way down to the iPhone 7 right there. So pretty cool. Specs on this iPhone, like it says, basically an iPhone 8 with more hardware. So you have 64 gigabytes of internal storage, 4.7-inch Retina HD display, 12 megapixel wide camera, portrait mode, portrait lighting, depth control, mixing and smart HDR and 4K video. There is no external memory. The hotspot is capable in this one. Talk time 18 hours. iOS 13 A13 Bionic chip with third generation neutral engine. The iPhone SE 2020 is 5.22 ounces. Digital handmade compatibility is there. Accessories for the iPhone SE 2020 over here. If you guys can check them out. You guys have it. The iPhone SE 2020 is now here at Metro by T-Mobile for $399.99 for the 64GB version. So if you guys are looking to get a compact iPhone, the iPhone SE 2020 is worth checking out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys, or less man. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.